a growing number of enterprises need a private and secure cloud. Thus, they are modernizing their applications by moving their IT infrastructure from traditional on-premises to IBM Cloud Private, an application platform for developing and managing on-premises, containerized applications. ICP includes Docker, the container manager, Kubernetes, the container orchestrator, a private image repository, a management console and monitoring frameworks. You might ask yourself, why ICP? Cloud is all about business innovation, but there's no one cloud fits all, nor fits every workload need. Customers have different data and compute needs, and for security reasons, they can't always run everything in the public cloud. ICP provides the power of cloud in the customer's own data center, helping them innovate quickly and realize business value immediately. While you are moving your applications to ICP, wouldn't it be ideal to exploit your current scheduler in the integrated platform? With IBM Cloud Private, you can deploy the IBM Workload Automation components using Helm charts to quickly configure and run them as Docker container applications in a Kubernetes cluster. You can then manage the IBM Workload Automation components from the IBM Cloud Private dashboard or from the command line interface. The available containers are Agent, that includes the Dynamic Agent component, Server, that includes the Master Domain Manager and the Backup Master Domain Manager components, Console, that includes the Dynamic Workload Console component. Tim works as an IWA administrator for a large bank with branches all around the world. In his role, Tim creates and upgrades IWA environments and deploys agents across the company with minimal impact on the business. A new branch office in South Africa is traditionally using IWA to schedule applications on premises, to modernize their operations and to provide more control and flexibility in the way the bank manages its applications and IT infrastructure. The company is moving them to ICP. Thus, Tim must deploy a new IWA environment. Let's see how Tim can take advantage of IWA availability on the ICP platform. Tim accesses the IBM Cloud Private dashboard by entering his credentials. Once the login has been performed, he selects Catalog from the navigation menu. He searches for the IBM Workload Automation Pro chart, a Helm chart for configuring workload automation in IBM Cloud Private. Tim selects the chart and then switches to the configuration panel, where he needs to configure just a few parameters to install the chart. He needs to fill in only the Helm release name, the target namespace, accept the license, and customize his environment. Once all parameters have been configured, he clicks Install. Tim is happy because the installation is now very quick and easy to perform. However, he wants to be sure that the installation ends successfully. Thus, he decides to view its progress on the release page. The installation is completed successfully. Now, Tim wants to check if the environment is ready, so that Marnie can start scheduling. He opens the IBM Workload Automation console, performs the login, and creates an engine connection to the server. Once confirmed that the server is connected, he creates a new job, selects the agent where the job runs, and defines the command that returns the list of pods that have been created. Finally, Tim runs the job and it ends successfully. Tim is really satisfied. The deployment is easier and in a short amount of time, the workload automation environment is up and running. And also Marnie can start scheduling the business applications that have been moved to ICP. IWA in ICP enables the migration of the traditional workload from on-premises to cloud private and allows the management of hybrid workloads from a single point of control. Application modernization, to optimize your infrastructure and deliver new business value. Standardization of IT processes for the applications and the scheduling services they use. Faster and easier IWA deployment upgrade and rollback. With Docker and Kubernetes deploying upgrading IWA takes minutes instead of hours. Continuous delivery of IWA's Docker container, with faster time to market and flexible scalability. Up and down scaling, with Kubernetes, you can deploy a different number of masters and agents. High availability for agents and agent pools through the Kubernetes clusters. scheduling and orchestration of Kubernetes workload, through the Kubernetes command line bundled into the IWA agent image.